I am live. What a beautiful day. Beautiful day indeed. Let's see. So Bitcoin is in the $34,000 range. I'll take it. After the last month, I'll take it. But let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. We have a long way to go. If you want to know what I'm thinking, check out my most recent TikTok where I say that I am neutral. I am neutral right now. Sorry to break your hearts. We could go down and we could test $30,000. Do I think we're going to test $30,000? No. But it's within the realm of possibility. It's enough of a possibility that I'm just not going to celebrate just yet. Good morning, Sean. What's up, man? But I am feeling confident. So yeah. I'm trying to get set up on my computer here. And I'm live on YouTube, on TikTok. Pablo is in hiding. I feel so bad for him. All right, I am live. Good morning, Elias. Hey, Fry. What a weekend. Man, I was excited before the short squeeze. And then that squeeze squoze, and it's like, boom, here we go. So, good morning, the board surfer. Feeling good. Sambo, I see you. Good morning. Looking good, feeling good. Lots of beautiful people in the house. But yeah, again, not time for celebration just yet. I mean, all right, fist pump. Here we go, fist pump, but let's get back to work. Not that we're going to do anything. So Algo or XDC, I like them both. How would I say XDC? So Darren, happy Monday. Happy Monday. Yeah. No Lambo, Sambo. There we go. All right. I need to monitor some things here. My plan for alts, man, Sambo, I'm pretty much in on alts. I'm like all in. I'm not gonna do any more purchases really. So hey, Meg, what's up? Good morning. I hope you have a great Monday too. AMP, I think AMP is at a good buying point right now. Quant, I love Quant. Quant's a beast. I kind of FOMO'd. I FOMO'd a little bit with Quant yesterday, and I'm probably gonna regret it. But I was just tired of waiting, so I bought a little bit more, like $500 more of Quant. Suchi, good morning. Was planning to invest this morning, but seeing the pump didn't. Should I wait? I think you should wait a little bit. Yeah. Area Adiel, hello. Are they squeezing shorts, or is there a big player accumulating? There was a short squeeze yesterday. Yeah. Hey, all right. Because of me, you bought the bottom. You know what? Dare I say? No, I'm not going to say it. I was going to say, take some profits, but no. Always, I'm a holder, I'm a hodler, whatever. For 1 year, FOMO'd Quant 2, that's nice. 1 year crypto, what do you advise? I advise holding, but you should be mostly out of your alts a year from now, so say it. Hold alts for how long? When you see things go parabolic. When you see things go parabolic, that's when you hit the exit button, so. Will Bitcoin drop below 30? I don't think so. And if it does, I believe that it will close on the weekly above 30. Is it still a good time to buy ETH, or will it go down again? In general, I'm in favor of constantly adding ETH, dollar cost averaging, but right now I would say hold off a little bit. Did I sacrifice? What do you mean, did I sacrifice? Too late to enter a long. I would say now's not a good time to enter a long. I don't do that. Longs, shorts, I just buy and hold, but I would say now's not a great time to enter a long. Hey, I'm getting, all right, Hando. Hello, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Yeah, hey, give me 1 second. I'm gonna set up live. I'm on YouTube right now, and
Yeah.
I want people to on YouTube to see who I'm talking to. So, all right.
First
Yeah, first time ever.
You and I talking.
Yes.
Yeah, I've been watching your stuff, man. It's good stuff. Really good stuff.
Yeah, I watch a lot of your stuff
Love
too.
it.
So,
Thank
so
you, dude. I'm a joke. I'm an
you're.
idiot. What do I know?
Hey, I saw your video about the Discord with some pretty big players. That sounds awesome. So good for you, man.
Yeah, well, yeah, I had a really good opportunity to rise. I mean, I don't bring much to the table, to be honest, but yeah, they graciously let me into the group and trying to sort of provide value where I can. Whatever I know, I want to share. That's
Yeah.
about it. So
All right.
yeah, that's yeah. What's your what do I call you? Do I just call you what will Bitcoin or
You can call me Alex.
Alex? Alex, you can call me HD. HD.
HD. All right. All right. So what's on your radar right now?
All right, great. Okay. Well, look, I'm kind of just really enjoying the little wave that we're having right now. Obviously, I look at long term because I'm not, I don't know what the prices are gonna be next week. I don't know
Yeah.
exactly at tomorrow's time, like what's going. I don't know. So, and I don't think anyone should purport to know, 110%. You can make a conjecture as to what's gonna happen, and you make some, risk-adjusted positions along that line. But my biggest positions are held long term. So I know Bitcoin's going to do really well. Ethereum's got a massive use case. I'm a huge believer of the flippening. So
Okay.
I think the market cap on Ethereum will probably flip it on Bitcoin.
Yeah.
And I think long term we're all going to be doing pretty well. The good use cases, like your, the Bitcoins, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. I actually like XRP quite a lot. I know it's a bit of a catch 22 with
Yeah.
XRP, but I think the use case is there as long as they don't just scrap it on us. I
Yeah.
think as long as they keep pushing it, that's still pretty good. Polkadot, Kusama, yeah, these kind of. I've been holding VeChain for a very long time as well. I think VeChain's gonna have its day again. But these alts are all gonna be dependent on how Bitcoin behaves
Yeah.
in the future. I think we're gonna come down from the short squeeze. So this is where I sort of play the waves a bit more, putting in shorts and stuff like that. I actually put in a short today.
All right.
At like 39,500 or something like that.
Yeah.
Crazy. So I'll put in a short in then. I short Doge.
Okay.
Doge.
All right.
Yeah, and today I shorted Doge again at like 22.5 cents or something like that. Again. So it'll be interesting to see how that Doge performs. I mean, I hope it doesn't pop up and like clear me out of the position or anything like that. But yeah, that's sort of what I do. And I love the NFT games and
Wow.
places because it's just so cool, man. Like, obviously I play just a little bit of, just play a little bit of money into it. Like, it's not my life savings or anything, but that's what I'm into. What about you? What about you, Alex?
Oh man, let me think. So I saw some of your videos on Zed.run. Some people told me about that, and I am curious. I might look into that one. I'm not into any NFTs right now, but I'm intrigued. I just kind of want to see where it goes. Really, here's my deal.
Yeah.
I love Bitcoin, and so well. No, let me back up. I'm understanding what's going on with Ethereum. And I made a video last week about EIP 3675, the official launching the move to ETH 2.0. And it's like, man, before I guess I didn't really understand that with the supply getting cut in tenth, the 12,800 ETH being mined a day to 1,280, that just kind of like, whoa, that blew my mind. And so when you said what you said about about ETH potential Bitcoin, like I wasn't a believer until I understood that as a possibility. And I mean, just everything else, the differences between Ethereum and Bitcoin, Bitcoin kind of being the store of value, ETH being the oil or gas, all that stuff. I'm with you on that. There's something that some people are saying that once ETH flips Bitcoin, that it's going to kill Bitcoin, and I do not believe that. And maybe I have no idea if I'm in the minority of that. I think Bitcoin will have its function still as a store of value. I'm seeing institutions still are buying Bitcoin much more than anything else, and so I think it has its place. And other than that, man, I'm warming up to XRP. I'm getting very excited about Quant. What else? I mean, really, I mean, there's a lot of projects I'm excited about, but it's like you said, Bitcoin just as of right now, it just drives the market, and so I put a lot of my energy, my research into understanding what's going on with Bitcoin right now, and trying to understand that. So, yeah,
Yeah.
and knowing
I
that,
mean, put it this way, right? Like, put it this way, right? Look at the risk reward ratio. Like with Bitcoin, I mean, let's just say, like, all these points that we just mentioned now. Like, people want to know, like, what altcoin should I invest? What coin should I invest? Like, well, my answer is always just invest in something that has a particular use case, whether it's banking and finance, whether it's DeFi, whether it's NFTs, whether communities, whatever it is.
yeah,
As long as it's not a shitcoin, right?
yeah,
Invest in those, right? Is what I say.
yeah,
And let that ride the wave of the cryptocurrency market.
yeah,
And you're gonna get spikes like Axie Infinity.
yep,
I play Axie Infinity, by the way. I don't play it myself,
uh-huh,
but I've got a team and then I've got a scholar that plays it for me, and then we split the cuts. That's how Axie Infinity works for people who are busy or whatever. But what I'm trying to get at is finding those gems, like Crypto Blades, for example. Like it just went 100x within like 2 weeks. Like I can't foresee that. I can't see. I
yeah,
cannot forecast the network effect of that happening, right? Just because, like, just because it's like a promising project or whatever. Sometimes it can happen. Sometimes it might not happen. But what I suggest is just diversify your holdings across the industry, right?
yeah,
Right now, DeFi is hot. Right now, NFT is hot. Right now, crypto in general is hot. Right now, crypto is still such a small portion of the market, right? So you're still going to get. We're very early on. We're still quite ahead of that game still. So when Bitcoin pumps, all these other coins are going to pump with extra gains on them, right?
mm-hmm,
Have you noticed this, right? When Bitcoin drops, like all the alts drop by the amount of Bitcoin dropping times by 1.2 or 1.5, or they react more sensitively, right? And then when Bitcoin goes up, then these guys like jump hard. I mean, I think that's how a lot of people make money with Matic, like Polygon Matic.
yeah,
Every time it dips, like Polygon Matic will just shoot straight up, like 20-30%, and that's on a swing of 10% on Bitcoin or even 8% on Bitcoin, right? So
yep,
what I do is, okay, well then you got to structure a portfolio, is what I suggest. So I did a bit of portfolio management, just on like stocks and just cash, and for institutional level stuff, right? And what you need to do is you need to have risky assets versus not so risky assets and make a good combination. And that's the best way to treat investment, and then literally hold that for as long as you can, or as long as you want. So
great, man. Well, dude, I'm super stoked to have you live right now with me. Um,
yeah,
I should be respectful to those on YouTube right now. It's there's no way I can have you like on the screen for YouTube.
sure.
So I would love to plan sometime. If we could message and just definitely chat more, because I definitely want to
That'd be
hear
great.
more of your thoughts on that. So
Sure.
thanks a lot, man.
No
Thanks for
worries.
hopping on.
Thank you so much, Alex.
Yeah.
We'll speak soon.
All right. Have a good one.
Take care, brother.
Yeah.
You too.
Okay, man. I follow him, HD. He's one of the people I follow. I follow like 105 people right now. I'm so happy that we got to talk. It's just kind of a bummer that for those of you on YouTube, I just it's one of those things where it's hard for me to chat and make it work out like that. So sorry about that. For the I want to be respectful for those of you on YouTube. I am going to try to answer, respond to as many questions as possible, and I will be more likely to do that on YouTube. So hop on over there if I'm not able to respond to anything here. I am going to let me see here. Short squeeze was unexpected. So happy. Crypto Hustler, you know, there's someone I follow on Twitter, William Clemente. He answered, he called it, and that actually wasn't that much of a shock to me. VeChain in 2023, I think that's going to be about like around the bear market time, so I could see it being like 20 cents. XRP versus XLM, short-term XLM, medium and long-term XRP, internet computer I hate with the heat of 1,000 suns. I just, you know, maybe I'm short-term bullish on it. I just don't want to touch it. TRB, I don't know enough. Learned about William Clemente, awesome. Neo, I don't really know enough. All right, ADA, Cake, or XRP. Okay, YouTube audio should be back. Sorry about YouTube. Sorry about that, YouTube. Why is my camera not working? All right, I don't know what's up with my camera. So sorry for those of you on YouTube. I'm just gonna keep the I don't know what's wrong with my camera right now. So yeah. All right, my bad. I seriously don't know what's up with my camera. Sorry, I missed a bunch of comments here. Oh, what's up, Smiles? Quant on a run, but Link will jump back soon. Yeah, yeah. All right, can Vet hit 50 cents this year? Maybe not this year, but this cycle, yes. Hello, Satore. Meta Hero, going to be huge. 3D Ultra HD, I don't know anything about that. Bringing the metaverse to the real world. I just made a YouTube page, but barely do anything with it. Yeah, it takes time. It takes a long time to build it up. So I risk buying Quant in the dip at 41 pounds. Glad I did. Awesome. Yeah, I just wasn't paying attention to it. So, but yeah, it was under $60 for like a little bit, you know, and then it pumped. So I wish that I saw that. All right, should I sell my Matic and try to get some cheaper short term? I don't play that, you know. I would be careful with something like that. Yeah, should DCA Quant? Can Shiba hit a penny in 2028? 2028? I don't know, man. I don't know if it's ever going to hit a penny. But, I mean, they don't even burn, you know? Thank you, Crypto Hulk. I have been calling this. I am the MVP for July. And so you call me a humble guy, and here I am saying I'm the MVP for July. So I should invest in a production team, and you should be on it. Yeah, sorry. My production quality will one day improve. I do have a guy who I've been just waiting to contact. He actually is a friend of mine, so my sound is very low. There's nothing that dude, I'm a total failure today. All right. Okay, my sound should be much better on TikTok as well. So quant prediction, man, quant is. I have no idea what to say about quant. Could it go to four figures this year? I don't know. So have I seen the movie The Warriors? Yeah, Warriors come out to play. I have. Keep it and buy some more in the dip. Yeah. Pablo. See some comments about Pablo. Yeah. You really are the MVP this month. Thank you. Amp and Algo thoughts. Not really. I mean, just they're close to a buy. So, all right. Let's see. I am the man. Thank you. 25% ETH, 25% Bitcoin, then Cardano, Matic, and a bunch of USD coin. Any thoughts? I think that's great. Yeah, for sure. I'm too loud. No, I'm not. I just deafened you. Sorry. Best crypto guy on TikTok. Thank you so much. I made a post about that quote and all the bears. Oh, okay. Pablo Schmablo. Yeah. Pablo is a god girl. Okay. Where will Bitcoin go from the current 5-minute wedge? Yeah, there we go. I have no idea. How about $38,430? Do you think Chainlink can reach $200 this cycle? I do. Yeah. Thank you, One Rade. Thank you so much. Do you think we will see ETH below 2,300? Yes, I do. It's at 2,337. I think so. Thoughts on AMP? Listen, it's not really on my radar all that much. In general, I think that it's a buy, but I don't own any. I don't plan on owning any, and maybe that's to my detriment, honestly. Can you please explain about a hardware wallet looking to buy a Ledger X? Ledger, it's good. It's just, the benefits with staking. I'd rather just stake. So let's see. Best of TikTok. Are you serious right now? You said a 5-minute wedge. Why? All right. The thing with the hardware wallet is like you hold your crypto on the wallet instead of staking it. I'd rather stake it. So prediction on Safe Moon and Baby don't know. Crypto Hustler. All right, what's going on with Doge? It's just gonna ride the wave with everything else, but there's not gonna be anything extraordinary with it. What's the transaction fee if I transfer my ETH VET XRP Ethereum Classic from exchange to hardware wallet? I've never tried it. I don't have a hardware wallet, so thank you, John Baxter. Good look on Ether info on burning. Yes. Is Dogelon a scam coin? It's a meme coin, so it might be a scam. All right, Elias, I'm in 25K and haven't recovered from the May dip, but I am in this for a long haul. There we go, yeah. Pablo will be silent until the next market movement. He tries to predict and will make that prediction without addressing he was wrong like nothing happened. Maybe. He will stick to it because he never says he's wrong. So I bet Bacon DOA regrets selling all his Bitcoin now. Oh, man. Bless his heart. You can stake on the Ledger Live? Oh, interesting. Can you define staking? What to use to do it? Staking is holding your crypto on a platform or something like that and getting returns on it. My biggest staking platform, for better or worse, is PancakeSwap. I stake about $40,000 worth of the Cake token there for like 99% returns. I have some short-term Matic, XLM, and ADA. Should I sell now or maybe don't? Well, man. I would if you have short term, if the intention was short term, if you're going to be a trader, I'd say, yeah, now is the time to trade, to sell and take some profits. But, do I like HBAR and Quant? Aren't they too centralized? I want some exposure to centralized tokens, to ones that aren't going to have to go through all this stuff with SEC regulation and things like that. So I do like HBAR and Quant, yes. Would you invest in a Crypto 20 index fund? Probably not. I'd rather own the actual crypto. Am I considering going on a platform with other influencers like Mason, Crypto Weatherman, and BitBoy? They seem to, Mason and Crypto Weatherman and Blockchain Boy, they're all friends of mine. I follow them. They follow me. They seem to have their own Discord going on right now, and they're very whatever they're doing, if they want to include me on that, I would be happy to do that. I don't know what I would bring, honestly, other than like being the Bitcoin hype guy and probably being, I do think, well, over last month or so, I have been more accurate than them. So they all have their niches. And so what's my niche aside from like, I am a one-trick pony. I want you to know that. I follow Bitcoin. and everything else moves along with it. And so if you listen to me and you're into something else, then that's the thing. So, but I would love to. I'd love to go in with those guys. I don't know if they want me, honestly. Honestly. My niche is time in the market. There we go, yeah. Bought XRP months ago, disappointed I'm not in a Lambo yet. XRP Army promised a Lambo or 10. Yeah, they did, Drew. And that's the thing about XRP people. Crypto Mason has called them out for stuff like that. So I thought the prices would have corrected by now. Now I'm not sure if we'll stay below 35K. Yeah, you know, I'm with you on that, Crypto Hustler. It's really interesting that it's still at 35, 38. The guy you were just live with sounded like Pablo, but yeah, you know, he did. Write my name so you remember. Meta Hero will be trending name by October, November, if not earlier. Just remind me of that, Savage Master. Best of TikTok, you're really getting under my skin. How about Hold? Partner with Bacon, Wendy, and the Carrot. Top looking guy, Carrot Talk. You know what? I follow all of them. None of them follow me. So you know what? Maybe they're not interested. Glad I scaled in a week ago. Thank you. I'm the cool one. That's my niche. Okay, Fry. I am not getting in on astrology. No. I beat Pablo. You beat Pablo. Yeah, I did beat Pablo. You've been doing good. Thank you, Slice of Butter. Yeah. My niche is time. I think I already saw that. Crypto Rogue 1 is Alex. The force is strong. Litecoin. I'm not a huge fan of Litecoin. Everybody wants me. Nobody's contacted me. No Forbes article or anything like that. All right, best of TikTok. You're done. Seriously, go away. You know, I'm going to make you go away. Goodbye. Hey, say goodbye to best of TikTok. Bye, best of TikTok. Bye-bye. What a tool. What an absolute tool. Dude, everybody wants to. Okay, I saw that. The Discord would benefit from my honesty and bluntness, but I mean, that's the blockchain boy. He's got plenty of honesty and bluntness, so hodl Bitcoin for life. Most others will come and go. I only buy Bitcoin and Coinbase stock. Do you have any advice? ETH, you've got to get ETH, man. You've got to get ETH. Buying right now, no. I mean, in general, Bitcoin and ETH, yeah. Who was I just lived on? Handle Kim. Look for him. I still don't remember his username, but because it's like a weird combination. Hando L Kim, something like that. I follow him, so check him out there. Most crypto influencers come across as scammy and dystopian. Not me. All right. Yeah. Thank you. Begin crypto LMFAO. You're out of here. Yeah. I'm new to this. Where would you put $100, $200 short term? Is it worth playing with that much? I'm not a short term guy. But Bitcoin and Ethereum. So ETH can't be ignored. Yeah. Sorry, I do have some Ethereum, but not much. Okay. Yeah. Add to your Ethereum, honestly. Check out one of my most recent TikToks on Ethereum. I think it'll fire you up. Handle has to be more careful. He pushed rug pulls and was pushing bull notion in June. All right. I mean, I like him. So I still love ETH at this price. Yeah. Quant handling these waves like a beast. Yup. It's a good idea to buy Ethereum at this price. It's always a good idea to buy Ethereum. Like, listen, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you all for a second. I've been saying $15,000 this cycle for Ethereum, and the reason why I say that is because if I gave you my actual number, I think that you would think I'm crazy and that you would discredit me. And I'm not going to give you I don't actually have an actual number. I think it's going to be much higher than $15,000. What price will you be buying Quant again at? Under 80. I don't know with Quant, man. It's like maybe I should just like buy $50 a day or something. So prediction for the next few days, I'm not expecting much for the rest of July. And if it goes higher, then great, you know. But this is higher than I expected it to be. I said after that bottom last week, I said that Bitcoin would go back to $35,000. The thing that I didn't pay attention to is that $35,000 is above the 50-day moving average, which is where a lot of shorts had their positions. And so once it got to $35,000, it had to shoot up to $38,000. I'm expecting between 35 and 38 until August. So what's my strategy for when hey, what's up, Aaron? Strategy for when the blow off occurs, apart from holding Bitcoin and ETH, am I selling? I'm not selling any of my Bitcoin. I'll sell maybe 2 of my ETH. We'll see. Otherwise, I'll sell a large majority of my alts. I'll sell some of my Binance. I don't have a ton of HBAR, so I won't sell any of that. And I won't sell much of my Chainlink, but the rest is gone. It's all of it. I'm selling all of it once a blow off occurs. Doge is just going to follow everything else right now. Nothing extraordinary about Doge. Rune, goodbye after second hack. Oh, no. Stay away from Thorchain. Let's see. Why do you think we shouldn't listen to Pablo now? Legit question to prevent FUD. Did I say anything about not listening to Pablo? I don't think I have. I like Pablo. I do listen to him. You just got to weigh him out. Like, are we going to 20K like he's been saying? I don't think so. And if he's going to continue to say that, I disagree. Our crypto weatherman said that he called the 38K pump, but he should see it fall in a few months before end of year thoughts. He called something. He called it going higher short term. And so, I'm sure a lot of people are dumping on him right now. I don't think that he deserves that. I disagree with him. I made a video, one of my most recent YouTube actual standalone videos. I basically said, hey, I disagree with Crypto Weatherman. I like him a lot. We're friends. And he saw that video and he commented on it, and we messaged, and it's like, yeah, people are listening to him a lot right now, and I just disagree. So, all right, I'm buying projects that handle the capitulations well, even though it might not necessarily be a current dip for those assets. Yeah, technically fundamental like Cardano and HBAR both did pretty well. All right, besides Made, ETH, Bit, Voyager, Polkadot, USD Coin, anything I should getting interest on? Interest? I don't know. I was gonna say Polkadot, but you have Polkadot. Cake, maybe look into Cake. I mean, those returns are pretty phenomenal. From day one, you said at least 12K Ether. It's inevitable. Yeah. Are there any other bullish indicators other than being above the 50 EMA, the 200-day moving average? Quant, I'm afraid of never being this low price again. So you're going to FOMO, right? Opinion on DCA. Oh, no, you know what? Sorry, I'm not selling my Quant. Forget about that. Sorry, I'm having a hard time keeping up. Opinion on DCA daily or weekly buy? I'd say weekly. More than 100 million shorts liquidated. Yep. Don't see 1K plus people here. Time to keep accumulating. Haha, yes, Latan. I thought there were going to be a lot of people today. I guess not. So, any thoughts on the regulation thing on the 28th? I'm a bit worried. I'm not worried. It's 2 days away. I was afraid that they were going to rush some stuff in, but like maybe they're not going to do anything. And does Elizabeth Warren actually have that kind of authority? I kind of doubt that. So Bitcoin and ETH, baby. Will Dogecoin ever go up? Yes. Yeah, not selling my Quant. Tempted to sell some of my Link, XLM, and Matic and get some Quant. Get some. Yeah. Crypto, Elon needs Jesus. He believes life is a simulation. Yeah. Just sold 2K of my bit to buy Quant. I'm not going to complain too much. Yeah, Crypto Weatherman is solid. Yes, he is. Yes. Can't dump on crypto guys when they get it wrong. I wish more people had that mentality, because like it's really difficult. I'm approaching 72,000 followers, and so if one of you, if like 1 out of 1,000 of you dump on me when I get something wrong, that's 72 complaints or 72 people criticizing me. It's like, dude, it's pretty brutal. Like, honestly, I've thought about giving up a lot of times. I'm not going to do it, but it is pretty brutal. Verdict right now, we going up or down? I think we're going to be flat, Jose, for the next week or so. All right, do you think there will be a small dip for Bitcoin, ETH, even after it passes 38.5? Yeah, my number, Jose, is 42,000, 43,000, 40, around there. If we get to the mid-40s, I'll be very bullish. It sounds like wallets are coming soon to Robinhood with their IPO Thursday. I could see them adding interest and at top rates to gain users back. Just a hunch. Yeah, technically fundamental. I saw something about that. If that happens, great. Until then, I still say don't buy on Robinhood. Down the line for some of their releases and onboarding goals. Yeah. How much passive income you think? Sorry, I'm having a hard time keeping up. How much passive income you think you earn a year? It's hard to say. Probably right now, I'd guess like $2,000 a month, something like that. But I'm very eager to get that into stable coins when this bull run is over so that I can know for sure. How to take profit. When things go parabolic, take profit. Will Dogecoin go up? If so, around when? Dogecoin will go up as other things go up. There's nothing going to be anything extraordinary about it. Warming to XRP, just lawsuit timing or other reasons. No, just more and more people talking about it. It like beginning to understand the benefits of it. Not the benefits, but the pluses. The fact that, once this lawsuit is over, that's a major hurdle that a lot of other cryptos are going to need to pass. So no one else mentioned this, but we've had 6 daily green candles in a row for Bitcoin. Yeah, we have. Last time we had 6 green candles in a row was March. Yep. Crypto Weatherman's the only bear I really like. Yeah, I mean, I like Pablo. It's just that Crypto Weatherman's the only bear that I trust. You're welcome, Rakib. VeChain thoughts. I love VeChain. I still think it's going to hit $1 this cycle. How about Matic and Theta Bounce? Yeah, along with everything else. Thank you, Tuska. Load up on Matic. I agree. Crypto ATMs have grown by 70% this year. Yeah. Let's see. Way behind. This dude dumped super bad on CW's Discord yesterday. Oh, man. See, stuff like that. Very important question. What's my favorite beer? Oh, dude. Oh, man. I have no idea. Sorry. Definitely not like those IPAs. So, good morning. What do you think would be a good entry price to look to buy? 35,000, a little over 35,000. I'm not saying it's going to go there, but like, generally when I set a limit order, I tend to set it a little bit lower than what I think it'll actually go to. So should we still do our own research? Yes. When do you see yourself loading up on alts again? I'm done pretty much with everything. So Pablo versus Virtual Bacon, who will win? Virtual Bacon, because he's willing to admit that he's wrong. What happened to Pablo? I haven't seen him say anything. Yeah, we'll see. You should contact Bacon, Wendy, and other to propose a platform. You could Miles, that's not my strength. Organize. I'm happy to hop onto stuff. I know my strengths. I'm not a good organizer. But I would love it if somebody were wanting to reach out to me and form a group, and like there's this thing, Mac Lorden, he's another one that I follow, and he calls his groups the Crypto Avengers, and I'm not an Avenger. Like, he doesn't ever mention me, and I'm like, dude, whatever, you have your fun. I have him on my radar as somebody who I'm gonna blow by. And I like Mac Lorden too. It's just one of those things. Like, I'll be the Justice League, even though the Avengers are cooler, I guess. So where do you stake your ETH? I don't really stake it, but I have some on BlockFi getting decent returns. I just got another $50 of something. Should I sell and rebuy, or should I just hold on to it? Hold on to it. Benjamin is a good Bitcoin bear. Are you talking about Benjamin Cohen? Because I would say he's a bull, but do you think this is the last chance to load up, or do we I think we're getting pretty close to the last chance to load up. Ethereum, what do you think will hit price? 15,000 this cycle. AMP is up 63%. A lot of things are up right now. Yeah, DCA for a few years, Bitcoin and ETH. Crypto is only going to get bigger. Yep, you and a few others could be early adopters of a giant platform. Yeah. Do you do any mining? Not a ton. Wait, is Pablo right? Would you admit? What are you talking about, Mr. Cheeky Lad? There are certain indicators where if we were to hit those indicators, I would be like, guys, I was wrong. I'm sorry, but we haven't come close to that. I've not heard of ping sonar. No. Not much of a team player. I'm not an organizer. Yeah. I'll be your moderator. My disrespect game is hard. Yeah, you know what? I mean, we'll see. I tried doing a Discord, and it's pretty much dead. And so, that's why I'm willing to hop on to someone else's. Bitcoin went crazy from Pablo's Discord. He's saying it will at least retest the 30s, if not go to the 20s. Oh, I know. Trust me, I know. He will stick to that until there's no doubt that he's wrong. Why not you, Crypto Weatherman and Wendy? What a team. Smiles. Here's the deal. Crypto Weatherman is already on the Blockchain Boys Discord with Crypto Mason and with It's Joshua Jake. Hulk from Ragnarok. There we go. Yeah. So he's already on a team. Wendy, I don't even know if Wendy knows who I am, honestly. So AMP took off. Yeah, I'm Avenger. Hulk. I'll be Hulk. Yeah. Good profit-taking strategy. Do it often. How do I say? I mean, I've been holding this whole time, and I would say when things go parabolic, just be aggressive with taking things off the table. Probably will come on if there's a 20% dip. Yeah. When do you see yourself loading up on alts again? 2023 or 2024, honestly. Yeah, I'm done with alts right now. I'm done with everything. I'm pretty much done with everything. I am so overexposed on crypto. What do you think will lead the market in a bull market for 4 years? XRP, ETH maybe? Tether case, what's wrong? Is there another Tether case? I mean, they already had one with Letitia James in New York. Yeah, keep away from crypto people in 20. I'm not sure what you're saying. Ethereum Classic, 12% up today, 800% year to date. I still don't like it, so... How's my business going? It's okay. I'm paying more attention to building this up. I get a steady income, so... Oh, shoot. Sorry, I missed some comments on YouTube here. Down the line per some of their releases, onboarding goals. What was looking at Federal Reserve economic data chart compared to the lessening of silver, of silver in coins under Roman Empire. Seems very similar once you invert the Roman chart. Interesting. Yeah. Guys, I am live on YouTube, by the way. Follow me on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Tony Stark. In the 20s, they too young. Not sure what you're saying, just passing time. My main coins, my biggest holdings are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, and Chainlink and Cake. Good price to look to buy ETH. I'd say under 2,300. Iron Man. When's the next drop? I mean, there could be a minor drop this week. I mean, what do you mean by drop? I'm not thinking like 30% from here. So will we see another drop on alts like we saw 1 week or two ago soon? A minor drop. But, I mean, I could see Bitcoin going to 35,000. But other than that, I don't think there's going to be anything major. When in profit is the proper way. Profit taking out original investment, leaving profit. There we go, yeah. All right, Crypto Hustlers, Fat Thor. All right. Sorry, trying to find a good way to word it. No, I got you on that. Yeah, Crypto Iron Man. Okay. Do you think ETH will go back below 2,000 anytime soon? I don't think so, Tina. I can't remember if you said already. Yeah, I don't think. All right, Tether execs are facing criminal probe for bank fraud. Here we go again, man. If and when do you foresee another crypto winter? I mean, like if you're talking about something like we've just experienced, I would say after. I don't see us having another 50% drop with Bitcoin. I think that we're going to go by the 200-day moving average and then test that as support on the way up to $200,000. And so that could feature some 25% drops, some 30% drops, something like that. But otherwise, no, I don't like until late 2022, early 2023. So keep a moving bag once we've 100% our original invest. For the most part, yeah, I think that's a good call. Am I invested in the real estate as well? No, not right now. I sold my house and moved to another state, and I intend on building up my real estate portfolio over the years for sure. So, thoughts on SNX, good time to buy. SNX in general, I think, is generally a good time to buy. I don't see it on my website here. I like SNX. So, are we entering a bull market again or just a pump? Daddy Elon 00. Here's the thing. I would say that we have not yet entered the bull market, that we're not back in the bull market. And check out my most recent TikTok for more thoughts on that. So, Litecoin, I'm not a huge fan, but it will move with the rest of the market. And I am paying attention to the fact that like Grayscale is loading up on Litecoin, that there's a lot of not institutional, but a lot of heavy investment Litecoin. Yeah, waiter with a dream. I would recommend throwing some fiat at XRP. I think that now's a great time. Before the SEC suit ends, which who knows? Maybe it'll end in 2 days. There is a possibility. And then, it'll go back on Coinbase. It'll go back on Voyager. Now's the time. Follow me on Twitter, WW Follow me on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I don't make any money for going live on TikTok, but I do get advertising revenue on YouTube. It's not much. It's like $200 a month as of right now. Would greatly appreciate it if you supported the cause. Like, I don't make a full-time income from doing this. But I am semi-retired, with my business. But I would like to ease off of that more. But anyway, enough of that. So, all right, what problem does Litecoin solve? That's a good question. Yeah, exactly. Nobody cares about Litecoin. There's no, Litecoin nuts. Because they know. How can we buy on XRP? You can buy XRP on Uphold. So, all right, interesting week. 5 largest stock report. I saw that. Yeah, a lot of stock report earnings. Combined market cap 9.4 trillion. Man, seeing how could this affect crypto? Oh man, yeah. So, if they don't report good earnings, then that's going to be bad for the stock market, and crypto will come down. So, all right, what are your thoughts on ICP? I hate ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns. They rug pulled. I am never going to touch ICP. I don't care if ICP is the top performing crypto over the next 10 years. I'm not, and it won't be, but I'm not touching it. Want me to make Litecoin even more dead? Yeah, maybe, Crypto Husser. Good morning, Justice Dave. Hey, ZK Pablo, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. What was my job before my business? I had another business, and I sold it. It was a social media marketing company. I sold it to what's it called? Oh my goodness, to not viralnova.com. Oh my goodness, why am I blanking? Distractify.com. Crypto Weatherman in the house. What's up, man? Hey, I've been giving you props. You did call this, and I want everyone to know I'm a bull. Crypto Weatherman is a bear, but Crypto Weatherman called this, and so just want to be clear about that. Oh, I did not know that handle supports ICP. So, ICP could be something good in the future. I'm pretty pissed off at them. Not that I own, and I never bought any, but all right, can you explain how futures reached 48K? No, I can't. Maybe Crypto Weatherman can. Cosmos predictions. I've been saying $100. Hello, AHS. Am I going to sell all my XRP when everything goes up? Yes. Yeah. And that's based off of the performance from the past cycle. So, all right. AHS is from Saudi Arabia. Why is Solana not pumping? I mean, it's up. And what's it at right now? $30. Yeah. All right. Taking a lot of heat right now because TikTok took down that vid and banned me. Are you banned again, Crypto Weatherman? My goodness, man. This is so frustrating. Yeah, smash that like button. Thank you, Eric. Yeah, Crypto Weatherman would say, yes, keep accumulating H-bar. Oh, my goodness, man. There's this guy, I don't know if you follow him, Crypto Weatherman, Ryan Crypto. He says he's not posting at all on TikTok until, he believes that they're going to refine this stuff so that it's like, the intention was to ban people promoting these pump and dumps. And this is ridiculous. I have not been warned of anything, and I just feel bad. But, I'm sure that you're going to be just fine. I was talking to some people about the Discord nights that you're in. And so I joined that just to get, consume some content. Moving to YouTube for now, starting all over. Guys, subscribe to Crypto Weatherman's YouTube account. So short-term short squeeze. It was. I mean, that's what a short squeeze is. So I had high hopes with Solana. Kind of disappointed. You gotta hold longer. So yeah, boycott. I'm not gonna boycott TikTok. It's the organic reach is too attractive for me. So go live duo. I mean, he's banned right now, and I'm live on YouTube. I tried going live with somebody else earlier. I'm not gonna suggest that we do that. So BNB, what do we think about price will hit this month? This month, 330. How about that? I've been living on your pages trying to catch videos before they are removed. Yeah. Yeah, we will subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to Crypto Weatherman. Hey, subscribe to my YouTube as well, World War Bitcoin. And follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. So, let's see. You know what? I'm pleasantly surprised that this live stream, I thought that there would be like 200 to 300 people here. And the fact that it's not, that's got me very excited because I've told you when there's a lot of people on this live stream, you should be nervous. So, all right. Do you know CVO Crypto? Yeah. He's welcoming second part of the bull run right now. No, I'm on his. He invited me to join his Telegram, and he's posting a little bit short-term bearish stuff. So I don't know what he said on YouTube on TikTok, but short-term he's bearish. I think TikTok bans because of complaints. You probably have to not piss people off. I mean, I piss a lot of people off, Miles. So we're the only one left holding, yeah. So I don't know. I mean, do I piss people off more than Crypto Weatherman? Maybe he pisses people off more than I do because like I've seen a lot of hate in his on his videos. So we should talk on the live stream. But yeah, for those of you on YouTube, you're not going to see it. Yeah, we're the only ones left holding. Boycott Bitcoin boy. He said E. coli coin. Are you talking about Bitcoin, BitBoy crypto? Should we be nervous? I mean, you should be cautious. That's what I would say, ZK Pablo. Don't be nervous. Be cautious. Okay. Why should we be nervous when there's a lot of people on your live? Because listen, when in May, when everything was bumping and like the general attitude was like, Shiba to the moon, Dogecoin to the moon, Safe Moon to the moon, like there were 1,000 people in this live stream. There were 1,000 people here. Yeah, does Crypto Weatherman believe Bitcoin will crash? Why is he a bear? He thinks it's going to the 20s, maybe even the teens. And then he made a video talking about a crab market, which, so we have a bull market, a bear market, and a crab market. A crab market is just like, it's flat. It'll bore you to death. It's flat for a really long time. But, in the long term, he is a bull. Yeah, we don't want to hear bad news. So, yeah, maybe Crypto Weatherman does get more hate than I do. Yeah, he is legit. He doesn't care if he offends. Sideways like a crab. There we go. Tether sued could tank the market. Maybe. There's always Tether FUD. Always. So, when will you start taking profits from alts after Bitcoin hits 64K again? Yes, Rakib. That's exactly right. After Bitcoin hits 64K again, I am going to slowly take profits from alts. And then let's say Bitcoin goes parabolic. I will wait until altcoins go parabolic. But if Bitcoin has a rounded top like it did in April, because it didn't go really parabolic in comparison to the past, I will be very aggressive with taking profits. So I wish I could make a profit. Be patient. Crypto Weatherman depresses me for a while. Yeah, he depresses you, but yeah, he wins you over. So Amazon accepts Bitcoin by the end of 2021. That's all a rumor right now, Yvonne. I tend to believe this rumor, but we'll see. I've seen a few people on TikTok say 25 to 15K Yeah, I've been disagreeing with them for a while. What does parabolic mean, please? It's just this rapid increase in prices. Wish I would have listened to you on quant. Yeah. Yeah. There's a niche, and there's no one better with numbers and analysis than Crypto Weatherman. No one better. So, Begin Crypto posted a video with me and him talking about some things, and I said that there's a list of people that if they're wrong, I will no longer listen to. And in particular, I'm talking about somebody like Pablo, but Crypto Weatherman is not on that list. And he's really strong with short-term stuff. So, all right, when should I take out ETH? I have 0.32. I'm down just $70 now. Take it out in 2031. How about that? What is QTUM? I don't know what QTUM is. I know that it exists, but I don't know anything about the project. I'm long-term bull. Bitcoin will absolutely break 100K. High adoption. Crypto ATMs. Good future. Yes, Crypto Weatherman. Yep. I knew that about you. I think you said something like 158 or 162,000. So, is it too late for quant? No. What would be another price to accumulate more quant at? I don't know. Crypto Mason says that it's going to go below $60, so maybe wait on that. Any thought on Quant Stamp? Is that QTUM? I don't know what Quant Stamp is. OMG. Yes. OM goodness. But I haven't come across anyone who isn't bull long term. Yeah. What do you say, Pablo, predicting yesterday's short squeeze? Did he, please tell me he did not say that. He predicted that. All right, anyway, Solana, is there a future? Absolutely. I shouldn't say absolutely to anything. Okay, he didn't. Okay, good. He did predict. All right, YOLO dude says he did predict. I don't know. Whatever. Bull market makes money. Bear market makes millionaires. Yes. Glad to see you were right again. Just got in the chat. Can you explain the huge jump? Yeah, check out my second most recent TikTok. There was a short squeeze, or you could just listen to me right now, I guess. There was a short squeeze. $111 million were liquidated on shorts. So he did predict in his last video. He probably didn't predict of this magnitude. So yeah, Esther took it. Oh my goodness. Hey Alex, what do you expect out of Bitcoin and ETH over the next month? I think August is going to be a very good month. Now, I don't think we're going to get anywhere near the 64.9K all-time high, but I think that we'll be in the 40s. So, yeah, Glassnode data charts niche. I like those charts. Yeah, that's my niche, I suppose. So, will there be a correction? I'm not saying a major. I'm not saying like 50%. Which of the alts are you never selling? Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. Are we going to the 20s ever again? My opinion is no. Thoughts on investing in crypto-related companies like MicroStrategy? I prefer the actual crypto. I got burned really hard by buying options on Riot Blockchain. I lost about $15,000. So, all right, technically fundamental. I know there is a lot of pressure moving up, though. Do you think with 800 companies reporting this week that speculation of Bitcoin is moving things up? Yeah. Speculation of Bitcoin purchases by companies. Maybe that has something to do with it. I honestly think that the move, like I said that Bitcoin after that dump last week had to move back up to $35,000. The thing that I didn't pay attention to is that $35,000 was now above the 50-day EMA, and so I think that had something to do with it because shorts were like, there's no way Bitcoin's going above the 50-day EMA. And then once it did, they had to cover themselves. So any possibility of Bitcoin dump due to money flowing into Bitcoin if there's validity to the tether proof? There's a possibility, yes. I agree with you. I agree with me. Yeah. Don't ever think 20s again. Will BitConnect ever come back? No. Also hope not. Speculation of Bitcoin purchases. Yeah, I saw that. All right. Sometimes I think Pablo records himself predicting something in a different outfit. All right. I'm not going into that. So if Bitcoin goes down again, what price do you think? Like 35,000 or something? I think there'll be another good time to buy ETH cheaper than it is right now. Yeah. But DCA into ETH. If we have another COVID lockdown, it will push crypto. Yes or no? No. And the reason why I say that is because we were unprepared. We were totally caught off guard with COVID. And that selling last time was panic selling. It was people were terrified that the world was going to shut down and that it was like that we were all going to die. And then so we know we're a lot better prepared this time. Look what happened after that. You know, I mean, what comes with lockdowns? Government stimulus, the cheapening of the currency. Where are people going to put that currency? I mean, when we got our $1,200 last time, there were a ton, and I mean a ton, of $1,200 Bitcoin purchases. And that will happen again. People will just put that straight to Bitcoin and other cryptos. I don't think it'll get under $30,000. Yeah. Can you give any reason why Bitcoin can't hit low 20s? All right. You know, I'm going to say math, but I'm going to say faith, math, something like that. Okay. I am a strong believer in the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, that we will not see a weekly close below that level. That level is almost exactly at $30,000. We could go into the 20s, but I think we will close any given week above $30,000. And so, yeah. Do you see a healthy future for Litecoin? I think it'll exist. I think Bitcoin, Ethereum will outperform it. I think in the bear market, that's absolutely one that I have no intention of holding. I am going to eject so hard from Litecoin. Does Bitcoin 29.1 still apply? Still apply? What do you mean? Because I canceled my limit order at 29.1. It got down to like 29.2, of course, because that's my luck. So, all right, if we back touch the 200 or 50 EMA, maybe it stays above and goes higher. If we go back up to it, that's what I'm thinking, Miles. Yeah. Agree, this time COVID lockdowns will have the same impact. Yeah, they'll know what to expect. I have about $1,000 in Matic and Link. Would you recommend converting any to ETH? Yeah, or just, buying $50 of ETH every now and then. But yeah, a little bit. You think 40K will happen this week? I don't. No, I don't. So somehow I got a free NFT in my Coinbase wallet. Oh, is this normal? I haven't heard anything about that technically fundamental. I need to check my Coinbase wallet. So... all right. Hey, you know what? I don't own any FTs, but if I got a free NFT, I'd take it. So, all right. Again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. I mean, all right, if you're not following me, follow me. But follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. I'll be on for another 10, 15 minutes or so. Thoughts on KSM, never asked before. I like Kusama. I like the potential of it having this niche of like, this is where you test your products before you launch them. So I'm very excited about that. It was through OpenSea. Oh, I thought I purchased it by accident. Was very confused. So would you grab Zilliqa or Anchor? I don't know enough about Zilliqa to make an educated decision about that, but I do like Anchor a lot. Do you know why Bitcoin is up so much? There was a short squeeze yesterday. Check out my second most recent TikTok. How has the triple halving changed your forecast for the price of ETH? A waiter with a dream. I'm much higher. Yeah, I just don't want to say any numbers because I think most people will think I'm crazy. But any new purchases over the next weeks or months will probably be Ethereum and maybe Ethereum and Quant, maybe some XRP. Cello, don't know enough really. Pablo He-Man, he has like 630,000 followers on TikTok. So I have not seen C98. Yeah, I haven't looked into it. Which decentralized storage crypto do you recommend? Man, I don't own any of them, so I don't know. Can't wait to see what Pablo has to say for the next weeks. He's probably still. No, there's no doubt he's still bearish. He's not going to give that up until the very last minute. Somebody pointed out, and I do remember watching this now that I think about it, that he said something. He said the words "short squeeze" in one of his TikToks, and so I know that he's going to ride that. Are we expecting the price of Ethereum to fall in the coming days? If so, how much? Not a ton. I mean, I'd be pleasantly surprised if it hit 2100. That's funny I say it that way. All the people that tried to short ADA, RIP. Yeah, I mean everything really. So hope you didn't sell last week. Dan Cohen, CEO of GameStonks, in my live stream. I did not sell, no. Pablo working with whales. Wow, really? The country? I know what you're talking about. Let's see. When does EIP take place for ETH? I know 4th of August. When's the next one? Sambo, the next one we don't have a date yet. So some people are saying maybe end of 2021. I would think probably 2022. AMP, not really on my radar all that much. I have been saying that it's a good sell button broke. There we go, Dan. In general, it's a good buy. So big stocks have earning reports this week. It could also help crypto stay afloat. Yeah, I'm hoping to see really positive earnings for those stocks. So do you think 25K is on the way still? Density, you should know. I never thought 25K was on the way. So Pablo equals Wally Pip. WW equals Lou Gehrig. Wow, that's quite a reference. So I'm going to die slowly through my body not working anymore. I know that's not what you're saying. I work at Chipotle cooking up some fire. If you ever come to Dayton, yeah, Fry. Man, I'm not far from Dayton, so maybe I will. Best price to buy an old Cardano? An old Cardano? Buy and hold Cardano. There we go. Load up in the 120s. Yeah, ZK Density knows that I never said 25, so I don't know. Been hearing a lot of importance on social coins lately. Social coins, huh? Yeah, free Chipotle, say less. There we go. Cardano, he means below 50? I don't know. Cardano's not going below 50. Amazon's earnings is July 29th. Maybe something crypto or filing a conference call. That would, if they said anything about, hey, we're accepting Bitcoin, and Bitcoin Cash and other Ethereum things like that, then I think that every limit that I've set, 42, the 200-day moving average, I think we would blow by those things. So will Quant come back down, or did the ship sail already? I don't know, man. Crypto Mason says it's coming back down. Yeah, Amazon accepting Bitcoin, that's super bullish. Yeah. That would be the catalyst to launch us beyond this. We are right at the same price level. Here's an interesting thought. We're right at the same price level. Bitcoin was pretty much at this price the morning that Tesla announced that they bought Bitcoin. Bitcoin was at 38,000, right, lower 38,000s. And then I remember I had breakfast that morning. I came back, and I had to do a double take because Bitcoin was at $43,000, like within minutes. So I feel like Quant can have a sell-off since it's not so attached to Bitcoin. Yeah, absolutely. Free Pepto with every gut buster burrito at Chipotle. Good morning, Clarence. Yeah, good to see Bitcoin and ETH moving up slowly but surely. Here we go. Everything looks good. Nicholas Baxter, be patient, though. Be careful. I said in my most recent TikTok, I am neutral right now. And I want to be clear about that. I'm neutral. I'm not bull. Well, in general, I'm bullish. I mean, on a long enough timeline, I'm an ultra bull. But if we're talking about short term, next month, 2 months, 3 months even, I'm neutral. So excited for this rally, but honestly can't wait to buy the dip again. Yeah. I heard something about Amazon maybe starting to take crypto as payments. Yes, yeah, we've just been talking about that. Entitled Neutral, and for a second I thought it was dressed. That's hilarious. No, maybe it was. Maybe it was a subliminal messaging or something. Yeah. All right, I am done. I'm gonna type up a brief message to my patrons, and I'm gonna have lunch, and then I have a meeting. I'm gonna go to the gym because I've been gaining a lot of weight, unfortunately, with all the stress, and pretty much because of crypto, and pretty much because of having this platform. I would be a lot less stressed if it wasn't for this platform. So I need to hit the gym, and I need to lose weight again and get in better shape, and get my blood pressure down. So low carb, I need to do that, guys. I mean, if you could be my accountability for that. The last 2 months have been very stressful for me, and it's been entirely because of this. If I was just on my own with my portfolio, I wouldn't be stressed at all. But knowing that there are people who listen to me makes it a lot more stressful. So I'm going to hit it. Yes, go hit it, brother. I'm going to hit it, build up those guns, and, yeah, get in shape so you can spend your Bitcoin. Thank you all. So many familiar names that I see in here. Much love to you all. Have a good one. So, yeah, when I'm 100.